This is TCI Matter page 43, Flammability. As you continue to explore the treasures you have discovered, you find thin filaments of silver-colored wire. Your family takes the wire to a jeweler where a technician lights a Bunsen burner to heat the metal wires in hopes of identifying the metal using its melting point. "Oh no!" the technician cries. To your surprise, it bursts into a bright white flame. The wire that the technician tested is magnesium metal, which burns with a bright white light and when it is exposed to high temperatures. This is because magnesium metal is flammable. Flammability is another property that can be used to identify a substance. Other substances, like octane, the main component of gasoline, will burn when exposed to high temperatures and oxygen gas. Other substances, like water, have the property of being non-flammable. Scientists sometimes use a technique called a burning splint test to identify certain gases. A scientist lights a thin piece of wood called the splint on fire. Holding the splint near a small amount of a flammable metal, such as hydrogen gas, will cause the gas to explode. Since there is only a small amount of gas, instead of a loud boom, the explosion makes a small popping sound. A non-flammable gas will not ignite, and many even extinguish the splint. Since flammable gases will always ignite, scientists can use this test to identify a gas. Similarly, scientists can use the property of flammability to tell apart the different substances. In your attempts to identify the treasures you found, you only tested one property to identify each substance. However, scientists will often perform multiple tests on one substance to identify it. This is because many substances have similar properties and cannot be identified by just one test. They have to carefully perform each test, then gather the information from all of them. Then they can compare all of their results to narrow down what substance an object is made of.